Dorgard SmartSound. The Dorgard SmartSound system is also a great fit for schools, as it keeps fire doors safely open at any angle, improving ventilation and helping students with limited mobility move around more easily. But as soon as the fire alarm goes off, Dorgard SmartSound responds to the sound and shuts the door. It's a convenient solution, especially when it comes to installation. Attaching the unit to the door takes just 5 minutes. There are no wires to deal with, and it runs on C batteries, which are easy to find and last for 3 years. Centegix CrisisAlert. If James Bond were a teacher, this is the badge he'd wear. It hides a panic button, and when pressed, emergency services receive an SOS message, along with a detailed floor plan showing the exact room and floor where the alert was triggered. At the same time, audio and visual notifications are activated. Impressive, right? The badge is called Centegix's CrisisAlert, and it's the only one of its kind on the market that works without internet or cell service. It's extremely easy to use, which is crucial in a stressful situation. And no wonder it's so popular. Its creators mention over 600,000 users. School bus stop arm safety. Today we're diving into the world of incredible inventions designed to save lives, evacuate people, and offer protection in emergency situations. Ready to find out how engineering and science take on danger? Let's go. We're in the American Midwest in Minnesota, where local school buses make around 10,000 trips every day. Riding in these yellow giants is considered roughly 8 times safer than traveling in any other vehicle. But what about drop-offs, pickups, and street crossings? This video illustrates those very situations, with local law enforcement shining a light on the issue. It turns out many drivers act irresponsibly and don't even slow down when they see a stopped school bus, putting children at serious risk. That's why officers decided to deliver this important reminder about basic safety rules in the clearest way possible. Safeguard Sabre. Speaking of school bus safety, we're not just bringing it up for effect. Check out the seats they have now. These are Safeguard Sabre seats, one of the latest innovations from IMMI, a company known worldwide for its safety systems. So what's special about them? First, they come with height-adjustable 3-point seat belts. When properly buckled, kids stay in place, making injuries less likely. The video shows just how important this is. Second, the seat back absorbs energy during a crash. And third, Safeguard Sabre seats are the easiest in their class to maintain. Wingshield. In a dangerous situation, the Wingshield school board becomes an impenetrable barrier, strong enough to withstand rifle fire from an assault weapon, keeping everyone in the classroom safe. The board isn't just durable, it's also transformable and very heavy, weighing in at 227 kilograms to securely block the doorway. It may look simple, but Wingshield has been tested and approved by U.S. Special Forces. This kind of protection is especially relevant in classrooms with very young children or students with limited mobility who can't quickly evacuate during an emergency. And during regular lessons, the board functions just like any standard whiteboard. EvacuB. Imagine there's a fire in a hospital, and the neonatal unit is full of newborns. Every second counts. That's where the EvacuB stroller comes in. Any nurse can use it to quickly get up to 6 babies to safety. Stairs won't be a problem if something's blocking the way, like a mop left out. Just lock the wheels, move it away, and keep going. There's also a spot for an oxygen tank, and hypoallergenic headrests keep the babies comfortable even in such a stressful moment. When not in use, the strollers hang on the wall in protective covers and stay out of the way. Kent Smoke and Fire Curtains. Kent's automatic accordion fire curtains are massive curtains made of fiberglass fabric. When lowered, they form a fire-resistant barrier that holds back smoke and flames for up to 4 hours. These curtains have passed impact tests under British BS specifications, and were also tested to the safety standards of the independent organization Underwriters Laboratories. They're installed without support columns, so they won't disrupt the overall design of the space. Placing Kent automatic accordion fire curtains near escalators in shopping centers, for example, can buy precious time for evacuation and, just as importantly, help prevent panic. They can also be installed in coffee shops or stores to protect interiors and equipment. Sydney Metro. Welcome to Sydney, where the metro system is so advanced that the very first line in the country was immediately launched with driverless trains. The average speed reaches 100 kilometers per hour, and the annual passenger traffic has surpassed 23 million people. Impressive, but what about safety? It's not only top-notch, but constantly improving. As part of ongoing station development, workers have installed sliding glass barriers that make boarding and exiting not only safer, but also more comfortable. Small ramps extend from the base of the barriers, which is extremely handy, especially for parents with strollers. CleverEVAC. There's a fire in the building, and people are hurrying to the exit, following the evacuation signs, but suddenly their path is blocked. They have to turn back, look for another way out, and waste precious time. Sounds awful, right? That's why the company Cleveronics offers the advanced CleverEVAC dynamic red X signs. These signs are connected to the building's safety systems, so if something goes wrong on one evacuation route, they display a red X with a glowing red backlight. It's instantly clear that something's not right, and people need to find another path. Now they can follow the correct route right away and evacuate without obstacles. Gallagher Z20. A simple chain-link fence that any school kid could climb becomes an impossible barrier once it's fitted with Z20 sensors. These smart sensors detect both movement and vibrations on the fence, notifying security when some criminal mastermind is up to no good. Sensitivity, of course, is adjustable. Another plus is the ease of installation. The sensors can be mounted even on curved fences, and integration with the Gallagher Command Center system makes security work even easier. It runs on Windows, Android, and iOS, so you can track breaches right from your phone. And the Z20 is easily scalable. A single controller supports up to 64 sensors.